Alright y'all, let's tackle error code 0xC000001, which is a Windows boot error that usually shows up with a blue screen during startup. Basically, Windows failed to load because a required device isn't accessible or a critical system file is missing or corrupt. So here are some causes: corrupted or missing system files. For example, the boot manager, faulty or incompatible drivers, disk errors, bad RAM, and damaged boot configuration data, or BCD. If you can't boot into Windows at all, you'll need a bootable Windows USB, just so you know. Alright, so on a working PC, you'll want to download the Windows Media Creation tool. If you're doing this for Windows 10, just download it right here. And well, if you need it for Windows 11, you can download it here instead. Now just follow the prompts to create a bootable USB drive. Make sure your USB has at least 8 GB of space, y'all. Next, insert that USB into the affected PC. Go ahead and restart the PC. Then press the key to enter the boot menu. It's usually F12, SE, or Dell, but it can vary depending on the manufacturer. Finally, select the USB drive and press Enter. When the Windows Setup screen appears, go ahead and select your language, then click Next. After that, click on Repair Your Computer down at the bottom left next, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally, Startup Repair. Now, just let it scan and try to repair things automatically. If Startup Repair doesn't work, no worries. Go back to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open up Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type in sfc/scanow. Press Enter and just wait for it to finish up. Still stuck? Well, let's try rebuilding the BCD. In Command Prompt, from the Advanced Options menu, you'll want to type bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, and bootrec/rebuild BCD. Be sure to press Enter after each command. Oh, and if you see access denied after bootrec/fixboot, try typing bootsect/nt60sys/mbr instead. Alright, in Command Prompt, go ahead and run this command chkdesk c/f/r. And just a heads up, if your Windows is installed on a different partition, make sure to replace C with the right drive letter. Now let's remove any external hard drives, USB devices, or extra peripherals you might have plugged in. Sometimes these devices can actually conflict with Windows when it tries to boot up. Next, restart your PC and enter BIOS or UEFI. Usually you can do this by pressing Delete, Escape, or F2 during startup. Make sure Secure Boot is enabled, or you can try toggling it off if you're having trouble. Also, check that the SATA mode is set correctly. AHCI is generally recommended. And finally, double-check that your system drive is first in the boot order. Faulty RAM can cause the 0xC000001 error. Go ahead and press Windows plus R, then type mdsked.exe. After that, just press Enter. Then choose Restart Now and check for problems. If you're still stuck, try System Restore. If you've created restore points before, just go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select System Restore. You can also try Reset This PC by heading to Troubleshoot. Then reset this PC and choose whether to keep or remove your files. And as a last resort, you might need to reinstall Windows. Boot from a USB hit. Install. Now pick Custom Install and do a clean install. Thanks so much for watching Tech Chill. Hope this helped you out, and don't forget to check out more guides for your tech questions.